Welcome to Exploring Frequent Words with the University of Westminster. In this introduction, you can learn a little bit about the idea behind frequent words and these videos, as well as some tips for language learning. In many learner dictionaries, you can find information on the most frequent words in English. Dictionary makers have discovered which are the most frequent words by putting lots and lots of texts and scripts of spoken English into a computer database called a corpus. The computer then calculates how common the words are. The words we have started with here are in the mid-range of the most common words, between around 2,000 and 5,000 of the most common words in English. These are the words you should learn from an intermediate level and above. In the Macmillan Dictionary online, they are marked with 2 stars. Other dictionaries may have different systems. Knowing a frequent word's meaning is obviously the starting point of learning a word, and we explain the meaning at the beginning of the video. However, if you want to use any word, you also need to know the other words and phrases that go with it. These are called collocations. So, for example, a collocation of the word pace is set the pace. You see these collocations on the screen as we speak. We often explain the meaning after we say the collocation, if it's not clear. You can find information about collocations in good dictionaries too. So, knowing a collocation is helpful, but if you want to talk about a phrase containing a frequent word, there are then often lots of other words and collocations that go with that phrase too. So, for example, if I say I restored an old motorbike, you might also expect to hear a story around this phrase. So you might hear I bought it cheaply, or I found it, and that it was badly damaged, and I repaired the wheels or replaced some parts. It's sometimes difficult finding these kinds of related words in a dictionary because they will be listed in different places away from the key word, like restore. So in these videos, we tell you lots of these related words to the key word that you start with. When you learn any word then, it's important to, firstly, think about how you use them. Secondly, try to remember them and say them. And thirdly, revise them over time. As you listen to the videos, we sometimes ask you to pause, that is to stop the video, and think about the answer to some questions about the phrases. Try to do this. If you think about how a phrase is used, it will help you remember it. If you can't answer the questions in English, don't worry. Thinking in your own language will also help. We will also give an example answer after the pause. You might learn the English for the words you didn't know then. Again, useful phrases will be highlighted on the screen. At the end of the video, try to write down some of the phrases you saw from memory. Play the video a second time. If you want, try and say the phrases when you see them on screen or as we say them, or read the whole script. All the scripts are available on our blog. At the end of the script on the blog, you will also sometimes find links to short videos and articles on the web related to the frequent word. Some of the words in previous videos will often appear in other videos. These will be linked in the scripts. In this way, over time we will be revising language. You can also revise by playing the video again or reading the script again. Or you could draw a mind map of a word like this one for the word boom. Finally, if you like these videos and are thinking of coming to Britain to study, why not check out our courses at the University of Westminster, here in the heart of London. You can also find a link on the blog. Whether you study with us or not, we hope you will enjoy our videos exploring frequent words.